Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Ramlahs kitchen. I Ramla. Now going to do Muruku. Now Muruku, I've already bought this Muruku flour. It's also ready-made flour, but we have to add certain ingredients inside. Okay. Now I am going to see 1 packet of this Muruku flour. Okay. This Muruku flour is made of rice flour. It is rice flour. It's a combination of rice flour, urdu dal, sesame and cumin seeds and salt. But now if you want to add extra this what is that called, urdu dal, we can add. Okay. Now I'm going to put, see how many cups now. 1. Because the flour is ready made, so we can add whatever we want and then we can make it more tastier. 2. Okay, 3. Okay, now here got 3 packets of this flour, Muruku flour. Now I want to add 1 cup of this urdu flour. Okay, to make the Muruku some more tastier, I'm going to add this flour, this flour, this ULUNTHU flour. This is called the ULUNTHU flour. So we can add in. So the Muruku will be somewhat a bit tasty. So I'm going to add, I'm going to add in half cup of this, half cup of ULUNTHU flour. Okay. Okay, this half cup. Then I'm also going to add half cup of rice flour. This is rice flour. You can add in half cup of rice flour. You can add in a bit extra. Okay. Now you know I've already add some flour. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is that I am also going to put some. This is my recipe. So I'm also going to put in some breadcrumbs, so the Muruku will be crunchy a bit. Okay. Then now I am going to take some. I'm going to put in some cumin seeds. You have to roast them a little bit. Then it will be nice. Okay. Cumin seed, black pepper. Little bit of black pepper. Okay. I also have to put in sesame seeds. You also have to put in sesame seeds. Okay. Now I'm going to roast and grind it. Just slightly, we can just roast slightly because I'm going to grind it. Okay. So. Okay. Just a little bit. Okay. So it will have a nice taste. Okay. Okay. Now I'm going to grind it. This is the cumin and the black pepper. I've already grind, so I'm mixing it inside. Okay. This is okay. Now we have to mix it. Okay, to mix this, I'm going to just slightly heat the santan. Before heating the santan, I would like to put in 1 spoon of ghee. Because when you put the ghee, no. Okay, I'm putting in little bit of ghee. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to slightly heat the coconut milk because I'm going to mix it with coconut milk. Just slightly only, just warm only. Okay, little bit warm, just warm only. And I also have to add a little bit of salt. Where does the salt go? I'm just putting in a little bit of pinch of salt. Okay, just a little bit of salt. See whether the salt is enough or not. Little bit of salt enough. Okay, salt enough. Okay, salt is enough. You know now I'm going to pour little by little and make a dough. Okay, you have to make it to a dough. You cannot pour all straight away. You have to put little by little and make. Okay. See? There are so many people do Muruku different way, but actually this is my way. Okay. I do like those things style. Only thing is that I use the ready-made flour, but actually everything is the same. Only save time, that's it. You must mix the flour in such a way that it can come out from the achuan. See, mix it. Okay, now you all see it's like that, it's sticky here. So the dough must not stick. So you put in a little bit of oil and make it a bit soft. Okay, I'm putting ghee. Okay, you all can even use butter or margarine or what, but I like to use ghee. Okay, now see. So you all mix it in such a way that it must not gum. See, every flour must come out. So you must be like a dough. So when you put inside the ural, the Muruku ural, it will come out nicely. Okay. Those who don't want to use ghee, you all can use butter or margarine. Okay. Okay. Now you see, I already made into a dough. You want to see whether the dough is okay or not, just put your hand and see. It must go in. Okay. That means the dough already can be used. Okay. Now, I think now you all have seen the Muruku flour. I already put the oil there. So now I'm going to skew the Muruku. Okay. Okay, I am using this achuan, 3-hole achuan to make the Muruku. Okay, that's it. 3-hole. Okay. Now I'm going to put in some flour. Okay. So many ways to do Muruku, but I do this way. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to fry this Muruku. Let's see how. I think the oil is already hot, so I'm going to put in and see whether I can fry. Okay.
Slowly on it.
This is Muruku, okay? Put slowly inside. Slow. Okay. Now, to turn. I think it's easy to do, and I hope you all will try it. Actually, this type of flour we buy is easy to take and do. No means you all have to soak, grind, roast, so much of work. Now everything is easy, so we take it. See now, the muruku is already fried. It's already crispy. The muruku, you see? See the muruku? We see whether it's crispy. See, it's crispy already. Okay? So, fry. See? When the muruku come up, then we know it's already fried. Okay. See now? It's already crispy. Okay, this is the muruku that I did. I hope you all will try and give me your feedback. Okay. This is the muruku I did. See how the muruku? When the muruku come up like that means the muruku is already cooked. See the muruku crispy. I think now you all have seen me doing this muruku. It's very easy to do. I hope you all will try doing this. And also I hope you all will give me your feedback, and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. This is the muruku that I did. It's very simple. I hope you all try.